Just there is no anyone can speak English. There is no anyone can understand English. There is no anyone can, you know, think in English. There is no anyone can. Hello friends, welcome back to my another, I would say English blog. So I was thinking a lot. I should record my English blog for my viewers. Friends, I love to record myself. Yes, I love record myself because I want to speak English confidently and fluently like a fluent speaker. So that just I came here in my field and there is a old guava tree and this is that is a big guava tree and there is my small mango tree and I want to show that little plant. This plant is not grow, properly and big. This is my cute plant. This is a which plant? This is plant is uh, jackfruit. This plant is jackfruit and friends there is a, I want to show that there is a field, field. There is a field and this field set on the fire for not grow any unnecessary, you know unnecessary grass. This field is only set on the fire for before planting paddy. Friends, in this time no any farmer to start doing work and start planting paddy before raining, so that there are so that these are all the field is only not cultivated. When started just rainy, I would say rain season, just coming rainy season, they all peoples farmers just started cultivation in our field and just cultivation they started raining. After that after that the all farmers after that the all farmers started cultivation their fields and started planting paddy. प्लांटिंग पैडी मीन्स धान की रोपाई करना। जब बारिश आएगी तो जितने भी किसान हैं वो लोग क्या करेंगे कि अपने धान की रोपाई करना चालू कर देंगे जब बरसात का सीजन आएगा तब। पर इस समय यह जो आपको फील्ड दिखाई दे रहे होंगे इट्स फॉर अवे, सो इस समय यह खाली दिखाई दे रहे हैं आपको, पर जब बरसात आएगी तब इनमें धान की रोपाई करना चालू कर देंगे जो भी किसान हैं। So friends, just I would tell you, I would like to share so that this is my brinjal plant and that plant is a very old and very big. There is my lemon. Just I forget things, but this is lemon tree. But lemon tree is 4-year old, but not. But that plant is not growing properly and not giving a single. So but this is a plant and this plant is papaya tree and there is a plant. Just I'm came here and here is a papaya, but it's not ready to eat. It's small and it's starting to grow. It's not completing for eat. And there is my pomegranate and pomegranate just started flowering, and after flowering that pomegranate is growing. So I love to eat pomegranate. So This is my favorite plant, and I would saw that so here is, some plant, but to be honest, I don't, I don't know what meaning of English, but in Hindi, urad. There is so many unnecessary grass, so many unnecessary grass. So friends, you see that this is a very, wind is very blowing, it's very fast. It's look like it's look like I think it will coming rain, it will coming rain today. So friends, but I very enjoy this this moment. I like to learn, and I love to record my video uh, with this, I love to record my video with this season. I would say it's moment. I love to its moment. Okay, so I feel very enjoy for making video, and I want to speak more and more. I want to improve myself more and more. So I never ever stop improving myself. So I would say, love to suggest you, don't never ever stop. Don't think too much I should stop while making mistakes. Not Mr. If you make mistakes, so then you should try to remove mistakes, but you should never ever think I should give up for when making mistakes. Then I should uh, give up. It's not. Don't stop. I would say, friends, no anyone people is uh, no anyone people is perfect in their life in beginning days. No anyone can no anyone perfect. But why I feel shy to make mistakes in their life? Why I feel shy? Friends, see this look behind me, and start raining. But I loved rainy season. I enjoy so much, and I feel very 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 energized while making videos in that time. Okay, and just there is a big very big and very old people tree, and there is my banana tree, and look like this amazing, look like this amazing. And there is my guava, but guava it's started only growing, it's not complete grow for it. Okay, and friends, if you want to speak English, don't 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 need to take so much stress. Okay, just enjoy your learning process. I would say with honesty, I'm not speak very well. I make so much mistake in this blog. I make 100% mistakes in this blog, but I feel confident. I enjoy to record myself, to share with you my day. I'm enjoy this process, and no anyone can stop you if you want to speak English, if you want to change your life, if you want to truly achieve something in your life. No anyone can stop you, and doesn't matter you have environment, you have not environment, doesn't matter, just matter only your mindset and only your hard working. Okay, if you are a hard worker, then you will achieve something, everything. If you are hard working, then you achieve everything. If you are not hard working, and if you are just think, I want to speak, but you not take any action in their life. So I would say you not achieve fluency in fast way. Okay, friends. So just take a action and try to improve yourself every single day, and enjoy your process and enjoy learning process every single day. Okay, friends. And uh, and friends, uh, it's rain is, it started raining in today, but I can't stop making videos. But it's, I like record myself, and I like so much to share with you my personal opinion, my personal experience. So friends, I would say just take action and start, you know uh, start doing hard work. If you are a hard worker, then you will achieve everything in their life. And forget all about things they people only comment me. I'm not speak very well, my speaking is not good, I'm not a good speaker, I couldn't speak in their life. So much comments, but forget all about comments and only think improve yourself. You should only remind only one thing: I want to speak English, so that I want to prove that. And I and I will prove that. They are people, they comment me I'm not good at speaker, I'm not good at speaker. So don't need to any environment, just need a start, just need a take action in their life for improve yourself. Okay. So, and to be honest, there is no anyone can speak English, there is no anyone can understand English, there is no anyone can, you know think in English, there is no anyone can stop me while making mistakes, while making myself, while making my improving myself. So forget all about things, just start and start, go ahead, improve that. Yes, I'm able to speak English very confidently, very effortlessly. And don't feel shy for making mistakes, don't feel shy for they comment you are not good. Don't feel shy, speak English in front of a stranger, in front of unknown people. Okay. In a beginning day, just allow, make a lot of mistakes, make so much mistakes. It's a beginning days, it's not your it's not need to jump, beginning too high. You should remain, I'm a beginner, it's necessary, making mistake it's necessary in beginning days. So don't jump direct beginning to high level, and no need to advance vocab in your beginning day. Just need your maintain your base, make your base in English, then just you achieve, then you speak English very confidently. And then you try to jump. but in beginning days but in beginning days, no need to learn advanced vocab. Okay. So friends, that is my field. And wind is blowing very fast, it look like it will rain, in night. So so friends, just I stop this video here. And just I'm going to do my some work, like doing dishes, and some dishes to be washed. So I stop this video in here in time, and I'm going to doing some work, house chores. I would say house chores. So we'll meet till the next video. And if you like that video, please like, share, subscribe. And if you have any kinds of problem, any kinds of question, please comment in the comment below, and I will try to my best to reply for all these comments. And if you got any some information, so please subscribe my channel. And we'll meet till the next video. Have a nice day, take care till then, bye bye.